welcome to my channel, She Got Options. If you're watching this video, this is actually my very first video that I've uploaded to the channel. So before we get into the video, I will go ahead and give you a brief rundown about the channel, the content that I'll be posting, and why I decided to start the channel. If you read the description of the channel, you can see that we're going to be talking about things related to trading in the stock market, investing, wealth, acquiring assets, or, here and there we may touch on, multiple streams of income or anything of that nature, because that is what I'm heavily into right now. However, this channel will mainly be about learning the market, because when I started trading about 7 months ago, it was a lot of information to take in. It was very overwhelming due to the complexity of the information. A lot of times I got frustrated and discouraged and wanting, to stop my journey. Thankfully, I didn't. And now that I'm more knowledgeable in the subject, I wanted to be that solution to other beginners who may have been feeling the way that I was feeling in the beginning. So I'll be posting simple learning videos about the stock market. It'll be scratching the surface of these topics, very simple yet still effective, to where you can retain the information and apply it to your journey. And I'll also be able to direct you to more in-depth learning for those who need more explanation or more understanding. I'll always be able to direct you to different resources for you to really grasp that information. So yeah, if that's something that you're interested in, please hit the like button and be sure to subscribe to the channel, so that way you'll always get notified anytime that I upload a video. So let's get into this first video. We're going to be talking about support and resistance. Okay, I wanted to start here because I'm going to be doing a series of videos on charting and candlesticks, which are the most important things when it comes to trading. You need to know how to read your chart. You need to know what a candlestick is. You need to know what the candlestick represents, what it's trying to tell you, and, just everything about charting. And a big part of that is support and resistance, because a lot of the action happens at the support and resistance line. So you need to really know what support and resistance is. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. First, I'll say that the platform that you see that I'm using is ThinkOrSwim by TD Ameritrade. That is the charting that I personally use. I feel like this is one of the best ones out there. There's so many other ones that you could use, but for me personally, this is what works for me. So if you're going to be following along and dressing your chart up the way that I do, then you'll need to open a TD Ameritrade account so that you can access their ThinkOrSwim charting. And as you can see, I have the Tesla stock pulled up. So for the sake of the video, we're going to be working with Tesla. So let's go ahead and get into what exactly support and resistance is. Now, they are technical analysis in the market. They are certain predetermined levels of the price of a security at which it is thought that the price will tend to stop and reverse. These levels are denoted by multiple touches of price without a breakthrough of the level. So basically what it's saying is, if a stock reaches a price multiple times, that can be considered its support line. If it reaches a higher price a couple times, that would be considered its resistance. So I'm going to show you, there's ways, let me start here. There's ways where you can manually draw your support and resistance, if you just go up here to the drawing, go to the drawing tools, and the price. So like around here, this would be, I can already tell you, this would be like a support. And you see over here it touches around this area too, so this would be a support line. Okay, we could come over here and this could be a resistance. Right here you see it touches here, and then over here, so that could be a resistance. But I am gonna, let me remove these. I am gonna show you how you can insert a script so that way it'll be generated automatically, so you don't have to worry about drawing your support and resistance every time, because you're gonna have various support and resistance as trading days go on. So it's nice to have it to where it's just automatically put on there. So if you go to the description box of this video, there's going to be a link. Click on that link and it's going to take you to another page. It's going to take you to a page like this, and then scroll down to this box that says ThinkScript code, and I want you to highlight everything in the box. I already have mine highlighted. And then you're just going to copy it. Go back to your ThinkOrSwim chart, and you're going to go here to this flask. Okay, and this is where you will add all your indicators. These are some preset ones. However, since we're inserting a script, we're going to go here, and we'll get into a lot of other indicator videos as well, so don't worry. Delete all of that and then paste your script. Then you hit OK. And if you see, without doing anything else, if you just hit apply, you'll see that it'll start generating the support resistance line. I like to go a little bit further, and I like to change this to 75. It's just how further out it'll go, and I like to have the value, the price value shown on the line. So you can also change like the colors and all this other stuff, but I only like to change those two things. So we'll hit OK and apply, and then as you can see, it added the price of that resistance line, the price of the support lines. Now, once you do that, you want to save this so that you don't have to always copy that code and put it in. And you could just name it whatever you want. We'll say support resistance for the sake of the video, and then hit save. Now, I already have it saved, so I'm not going to save it, but make sure you save it to yours. Okay, so now if we come back and look at the video, we can see we have the support and resistance line. So see, when a stock gets down here, this is telling traders something. This is telling you that, okay, it's at its support. And this here candle, which I'm not going to go deep in it because it's going to be a whole nother video, but you can see that this is a lot of buying pressure, which, traders would think that the stock is getting ready to reverse the upside. So they will probably get in and enter a position there to go up. Hold on, I didn't want to do that. Go back to my cursor. So yeah, and another thing that I like about this is that it'll also draw like patterns or channels that the stock is in. As you can see, like this is a channel line, which all this will be another video. You can also go to the other time frames, and it'll have your support and resistance on there. Again, we have another pattern. This is a flag. This is a little more advanced for people who know that that's a pattern. And I'll also be doing several videos on different patterns, so we won't get into that deeply. But you can go to the 15-minute chart, You can see your support and resistance and all that. So yeah, I hope that this was helpful to you guys. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button so that you are notified anytime that I upload a video. And that's it for now. Until next time.